Over LBC. I put on LBC. Yeah, I put over LBC. Over LBC. I put over LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon gods on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's the wave we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. It is July 13th, 2026 at 10:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is a Monday. How are you all doing? Thank you for being here. Mondays. I guess it wasn't that mundane. We did have a little bit of a dipsy do today. Excuse my degenerate trading here. Oh, not even really trading it. Hunting for a trade. Looks like we're breaking the anchor VWAP from. We got a little bit of a pop here at about 8:55. Big volume stepping in there. Big volume on the CVD as well. Relative to the rest of the day, bigger than anything that happened over here during market open. Look at this. Was that a massive buy order? Are we filling it in right now? We shall see. Good evening, Alexandra G, Mod Queen, Mod Boss, Mod God. Thank you for being here. Thank you for pinning the Discord link in the chat. I do greatly appreciate you doing that each and every single night. Make sure you join the free Discord. Make sure you chat it up. JR, all set. I know we all got busy lives. We all got lives outside of the LBC Discord. But, you know, hey, share your charts. Limitless been sharing a whole bunch of charts. Absolutely love it. You know it's let's fill it. Let's fill it. Yeah, we got to fill it. We got to fill that big buy order. Or was it a sell order? The better question is, will this, well, I mean, if that was a big buy order, is it going to get absorbed? That's the question. You don't chat in mine or update your sections, so fair enough. What's going on, guys? All set. JR, how you doing? Mad love. Yeah, well, you got all day to do it, my friend. I'm holding my side, broski. Yeah, I appreciate you, man. You holding it down. I do appreciate it. It's just joshing. It's just banter. Jeez. So sensitive. Oh, we just got a buy. Breaking anchored VWAP from that big buy order. So there we go. Also, I'm in your stream like every morning, my guy. It's all love. Let's see if we can get a push up here and then back test this VWAP. Then maybe we can scalp, do a scalp equal lows. We have the 930, New York Open, and another anchored VWAP. Let's add some confluence. Stack it. Let's stack it. We're going pattern trading on the 1 minute. All right. All right. We're going to take in flagpole, most recent low. That gets you right up to the anchor VWAP there. From the lows, comes up a little short, which if this does go a little like this, then that VWAP might get a little bit closer and closer and closer and tap it. Tap, tap, tap-a-roo. Just tap it in. Tap it in. Give it a little tappy. Always breaking out, boys. 0.42%. Gotta be careful. I hate everyone equally, but I have exceptions. That is absolutely uncalled for. And first of all, that is not Otter Gang vibes, sir. We love everyone equally, but we do have exceptions. Is that right? Set does love his rounded bottoms. Okay. I like my rounded bottoms. Touch me with your voice. AlexOCrypto. Crypto. Outta gang, gang, gang. Emojis in the chat. Oh, look at that. Are you telling me a pattern is not playing out on the 1 minute? Who'd have thought? This is why I put this on here. So you can see for yourselves. Oh no, we lost the value area high. Whatever shall we do? I've known you from day one, so you're okay. Thanks. Thanks, Alex. I appreciate that. We have a stepchild named Stop Loss. We don't like him much. Hey, Harp, how you doing, bro? Bounce off the 3A2. Don't know about that. Nice volume node here at the golden pocket. Not a bad volume node here at the 50. DGen trades coming at you live, coming at you hot. Low margin, high margin, low leverage trades. I'm still trying to get a good live stream strategy. My live stream specific strategy. My hour. Pre-show, I was like, all right, what if I anchor to the last big volume candle prior to my stream? Anchor VWAP and volume profile. And so that is what I did. So now I'm just watching price action. And I could do this for hours. I could literally just sit here and watch price action, not do anything, like not even make a trade. Just watch, observe, see what's going on, see what happens. Of course, the equal lows are down here and here. Are we going to come down to the POC? There we go. You guys are wild. Absolutely love it. Oh, look at the dump. All right. POC. I like the RR a little more on that. Let's see. See what it does. Ooh. Not good. That's a back test of the session VWAP. So we've blown through the anchor VWAP. Now if we mark out the candle, the giant volume candle, might be something to pay attention to as well. I'm just trying to find an edge for my live stream hour. Do you know how difficult it is to find a specific 1 hour specific time frame? It's actually not that difficult when you're doing it at like the beginning of sessions, because that's when like that's when the volume kind of kicks in. Don't act like you've never punched your clown, David. When I first learned that term from you crazy Americans, I almost died. I'm a crazy American, and I've never heard that term in my life. Never. Jesus saves. Hey, how you doing? God bless. Thank you for being here. Good evening. Good evening. Good to see you. All right. All right. So we're chilling here at the POC. Again, these pesky equal lows. It's coming for him. I can feel it in me bones. 786. Do have the dynamic reactor down here. Oh, take him. Take him. Value area low as well. And a reminder that is anchored to this big volume candle. So we're just trying to see some things, okay? Is that cool with you guys? What up, Wave Riders? What up, Limitless? How you doing? Thank you for being here. I did bring up the Suno. I should probably play some music. Cover your ear holes. Alright. Okay, good. It's not just me. Urban Dictionary it live. I can already tell I probably should not do that. You know, I thought that's what it meant. But I wasn't sure. Oh yeah, those equal those right there. Yeah, remember. Okay. Nothing's happening. The look of my face? I mean, I will look it up live. I don't care. I just looked it up. I saw what it was. I don't care. Who wants to see what it means? To grab. No, I can't do it. I can't say it. I'll show it, but I can't say it. Okay, wait. VWAP reclaim. Holding POC. Could we have taken it up to the value area high at least? Is that even worth it? I mean, the R is probably worth it. 2 to 1, maybe not so much. .2, 3.39. See, in order to do this, you gotta go low margin, high leverage. Ooh, dumping. Yeah, I wasn't sure about that one. Value area low. Dynamic reactor. Let's see. Now money flow is rounding off, coming down pretty flat since that big push here. So we got some reversal signals, downside reversal signals, but also some bullish divergences in here. Oh, just took it. Value area low. Don't like it. Don't like it. Take the gap. Took the low. Twice. Did it? I mean, trying to SFP. The CVD candles is probably the best indicator. It's gotta bounce, man. It's not doing it. Take the gap. We got a gap here. We got a gap here. 1 minute gaps. On our way to take out that 9K gap. CVD is legit. I love CVD, bro. Whoa. Let's see. We've got a range. We're ranging. Yeah. All right. This is like losing orb. Lost POC, lost value area low. But I do see potential absorption in here. We've got price trending lower. Hold on. So that's this low. This low is holding. That is this low. Did not hold. But that means slight bullish divergence, but I was gonna keep playing different versions of the same song. I gotta change. Oh, shoot. The ledger won't forget. Just looking for the right reaction at the levels. Now that we've lost this level, VWAP, dynamic reactor. We've lost them all. Now this actually is not doing me... Well, it does build out from this point, but it's almost not doing me any good. Let's go from, let's take New York. Go from New York Open. Oh, look at that. Heading for that POC. Maybe. Although we did lose the value area high, and we do have some equal lows down here. So my original thesis, or thesis I've had, sorry, flashbang. You know, I thought we would take out the highs before we started moving down and get rid of that. But instead, it looks like it's just wanting to go down. So this got skipped. And this might be what we're staring at for the next week. And then the last week of July, last 2 weeks of July, maybe get a push to the upside. Start July off bullish, go into a consolidation and back test, and then expansion for the month. Let's go to the monthly. Man, none of the levels are gonna be hit. I like the song. Who's the artist and song names? LBC Music. Song name, The Ledger Won't Forget. Fun fact, CVD hidden divs is greater than CVD standard divs, I think. Event Horizons. Hey Alex, how you doing? Good evening. I could play Event Horizon. Hey dude, this is super interesting. I don't know CVD well. I don't know how to read it, but which CVD indicator is that you're using? It is the CVD candles. CVD candles. That's what I use for my my day trading. For some reason, there we go. Specifically, I've started playing with it a little bit, but I either put it on a fixed higher time frame, or I put it on at a fixed time for the reset, so that I will either look at the reset from on the weekly. So once a new week starts, it resets, you know, kind of like exactly like a VWAP, right? So I've been doing a lot of volume, so much volume stuff lately, and I've been more successful in my trading in the past month than I have in quite some time. Like, consistency. And it's been ever since I started paying attention to almost entirely volume, time, and price. Volume, time, and price. So, volume profiles, VWAPs, standard volume, and CVD. And I'm trying to develop something with a little bit more accuracy. Right now, for the past 4 weeks, my win rate let's see. My average weekly return for the past 4 weeks is 6.56%. Account increase a week, which isn't bad. Actually, if you did, let's see, if you started off at like $500 and you made 5% a week, just 5% a week, you averaged, the average would throw it off. I mean, if you actually did just 5% a week and you didn't have anything, any loss, any unprofitable weeks, starting with $500, you could get to $45 million by the end of 2030. That's just to express the power of compounding. But, oh, I didn't look at the win rate. That's what I was looking at that for. What was my win rate? And I only know that because I had ChatGPT do the math for me. And we all know how math is for ChatGPT. I mean, it's probably way better today than it used to be. Let's go far away. You know when you're next to me. What was my RR? From this week's? No, what about my weekly stats, dog? What was my account increase percentage? What increase? When? All right. When did I ask you about my weekly stats? Jesus. What are my week 4 stats? Okay. Grew 21% over 4 weeks. Somehow that comes out to 6.56% a week. Where's my freaking... Alright, I'm just going to ask it. What was my win rate for the past 4 weeks? So my average weekly win rate was only 36.75%. And I've been profitable every single week. And that is called, and my account increased by 21% over 4 weeks. That is the power of risk management. So if you do risk management and do compounding growth, that is how you grow your account. Going to my head, everyone goes through it the first time that I've seen anyway. It wears off. What? Don't forget to like and sub, everyone. Thank you for that, Limitless. What's going? What do you mean? Once I get rich, it's going straight to my head. What's going straight to my head? I don't understand. What did I do? It's not going... Nothing. No. I am incredibly humble. I am super duper humble. Nothing's going straight to my head, guys. What would actually happen is production quality for my show would get way better. Maybe not. Maybe probably wouldn't do too much. But my equipment that I use would definitely get an upgrade. But as far as like stuff going to my head, I would like to think not. Because I realize that it could all be gone just like that. And the reason why I probably, who knows, maybe I can do 5% a week for forever. Not likely. I would be too terrified to lose my money that I would be bringing that dang margin down. I would not be increasing the margin down. I would not be increasing my entire account by 5%. That number will start to shrink down. Because, I mean, look at hedge funds. I mean, they're trying to make a few percent a month. Yep, Ben, it's gone. Just like that. Just razzing ya. Caesar Coco. What's going on, Caesar Coco? When you get millies, not now. Yeah, I understood what he said. Yes, you can. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. I honestly doubt fat stacks of cash would change you one bit. Like I said, like I was trying to say, the only thing that would change is probably more props, more showmanship. I don't know, more entertainment in some way, some form. Or I would just stick to the charts. I don't know. It depends. I would be able to do way more because I mean, if I was, probably wouldn't be working. I wouldn't have a day job, so I'd have way more time to spend in the chats and the charts, and yeah, in the servers, all that. I'd have time to build and just work on things, make things even better. And I would do everything I could to bring my people, the wave riders, into the fold. Guide the best that I can. We're almost there. We're pre-rich. Pre-rich. Look, my random line is getting it's not random. It is playing off of this. This was the VWAP that I had drawn out that we are currently playing with right now. Could we lose it, deviate below it, and then come back up, find support on it, and then push? Well, that is my idea. So we'll see. Did not take the highs. We decided to save them for later. And we'll see if we can do that. We'll see. I mean, they are being saved for later. The question is when is later? Because later could be as soon as here, right? Later could be as soon as here. And then we come down. Or later could be this. And then we take them out. Leave them behind so that we can come here and take them and sit on top of them. Get a final push, sweep the July high in August. Get up into this 4-hour fair value gap right at the range, volume profile, value area high. And then see what happens from there. That is very close. That is very close to being a bottom signal. However, this would not be ideal for this to be the bottom. Would not be ideal because now we're overlapping waves. And you guys know how I am about my overlapping waves. We don't like them. Because they're typically bearish. We want to be bulls. It's fun. Guys, when you really think about it, isn't it crazy how we're just basically debating and trading based on what we think? Well, if you're an actual trader, you're just trading the chart. But in general, in crypto, isn't it kind of funny how we're just kind of like debating on which digital finance accounting software is going to bring us into the new age of finance? It's just a digital ledger software. Digital ledger software. Shots fired. Now, I was considering also pre-stream that this could turn into I mean, it's looking like a flat correction, just a standard flat. Wait. Oh, that's the low. I gotta take that low instead. What are you saying? That's why I love trading? Yeah, exactly. Human psychology on a chart. If you shake it more than 3 times, you're playing with it. You know what's funny about that? You know, oh, wait, is this going to be a running flat? Ooh, this might be a running flat, guys. That's when you front run the low. But you usually take out the high. And I don't think that second high, no, that second high came up short. 21 million. Hope everyone had a good day. You too, Melissa. What's going on? LBCOG, Melissa One Love. How you doing? Thank you for being here. Good evening. Did you get that CPU upgrade you want? Yeah, I know. I'd get the baddest chip, the baddest CPU, baddest GPU, baddest all of it. And I'd have one giant curved screen and like 3 screens above that. Why? Production. The big bottom screen for the chart, because I need who doesn't need all that extra screen for your charts? The 3, I would have chat, Streamlabs, and my browser on a different one, so I can see and do all of those while I'm streaming. Because right now, it's just a side-by-side on one monitor where I have half Streamlabs, half the chat, and then this. But yeah, definitely would just upgrade stuff. Buy a new truck. I need a new truck. And I don't know. I would just continue trading. I'd just keep doing what I do. I'd have to consider, I'd have to think about like a stream time. I would love to stream several hours a day, to be quite honest. I mean, like 30 minutes prior to market open till like 10:30, like 7:30 to 10:30. Catch the entire morning session. But I got friends that are live at the same time, so at that time, so. And out of respect for them, especially the ones that put me on, like AlexOCrypto and Army Piper, yeah, not gonna take up their slots at all. So the only way I take them is if they're provided. Now, that would give me the free time to collab with Alex, or join the show with Piper. So I'd probably do that if either one of them wanted me. So yeah, kind of just chilling here, guys. I'm on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 15. Okay. Be watching this. We got a couple of VWAPs. I believe this is a weekly VWAP and an anchored VWAP sitting right above us. So now if it can claim these, we can see something like this. Claim. I would consider taking a long up to value area high or that next high volume node, but I'd probably get out at the value area high, at least mostly out. And that's at 63.6 POC, 62.790, 62.790. So we'll see. Now, we've got to see how we react to that point of control, because if we do some type of reversal type of structure, and then we potentially, let's say, we're pushing up on price, be watching this high too, and seeing how this looks. This pushes up. Which one do we need to pay attention to? We're on the 1 minute. I mean, pay attention to both. But if you did that, then we're still following along on the 1 minute. But if this is coming, if this high comes up shy, like if it comes to the point of control, that's going to be lower than this high. So what do we do over here? Well, if it pushes up, it's going to be, this high is going to be higher than this. That's bearish divergence at the point of control. After taking or tapping the point of control, whatever it is, and coming down and taking an internal low, we're on the 15. So I drop it down to at least a 3 at that point and start watching for some type of reversal structure. So I'll look for that push, take. First and foremost, let's see if we can get some kind of low in here. Boom, take low, retrace, short, ride down, TP, 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 TP. Value area low. But mostly out here on this high volume node. There's also another kind of reversal. 3 drafts. But again, you're still waiting for the break. Double top. Again, waiting for the break. Every single time, it's waiting for the break. Quick F, that would be fun. I wonder if the overlapping waves hit harder or a SMA death cross. Death crosses are, death crosses tend to actually like mark bottoms. They don't tend to be like, they don't tend to mark tops or reversals. Now, I don't know about low time frame, but like 4 hour or daily or weekly, those death crosses tend to come near or at the around, they come around the bottoms. Golden crosses actually are more of a confirmation of a bullish trend. I can prove it. So yeah, right now that's what I'm waiting for. I mean, didn't get in on the long, unfortunately. Look where it bounced. Look where it freaking bounced. I got off the chart that I started with. Look at that. Bounced off that gap. and the point of control. Sheesh. But now we've gotten a bounce. Now we've broken this high. Now we've created equal highs. Right there. Pulling back. This is the VWAP from this big volume candle.
Astronaut. The markets were never the enemy. The war is coming. Answer the
Full fib. You know what I haven't looked at in a while? I haven't looked at like my indicator, my scripts. I don't even know which one of these is a good one. Wow. So much noise. What's going on here? Look at this. Look at this. Oh, that's not my indicator. I have way more settings than that. Let's see, we do have the 50 right here. We also have a 382 right here at the value area low in this node. Can't believe I put so much effort into this, and I just kind of left it behind. This is like a super, I don't think that's the right one. Again. I've got so many different versions too because I didn't delete a bunch of them. Hey, this is more. This is it. This is looking better. Still not really drawing my my trend lines like I wanted to, of course. Oh yeah. Now the pivot length can really change things up a little bit. And actually, so it's actually got this whole like table over here, which shows, so it's a whole strategy. It's a strategy indicator. Let's turn everything off. Well, the call. Let's see, this one fired off here. Entry would have been here. First TP would have been here, and you're out. You get stopped out after that. First TP hit. But I have it tracking the last 200 trades. Wins 92, losses 108, win rate percentage 46. I showed you guys tonight that you can win with 35, 36%. I had 1 week. I had a 22% win rate. And that might have been one of my more profitable like dollar amount weeks because I had 2 trades pop off. So risk management, a little bit of TA can go a long, long way. I'm going to reload the printer in case we continue to print. Time to head home and sleep. LBC, going Tesla, L, Model 1, 5, and A, the through X. You're right. Average stop 0.15. Look back 200. Where's this average TPO? At average R, not good. 0.03. Let's go to the 3 minute. More confirmations. 0.2 R. You want to be at a 1 or higher. Now if I increase this to 5. R 0.11. There is something on here that I used to change. Oh, cycle restriction. Let's turn that off. This should increase now. Because I did have a 90 minute, or actually you can put however long you really, well, no, it's a 90 minute cycle based on whatever time you want to start it on. 0.13 average R. That's the average though. I had another. I gotta figure out which one it is though. I had another one that told me my average R for all of these, but and guys, all it is it takes the most recent swing highs after a break of a trend, and once you get a break, well, that wouldn't be right. It's actually following this. Once you get a break, then you retrace. So it's taking the trend and knows we're in a bullish trend. It builds a trend line. It takes in the last 2 swing lows, last 2 most recent lows, waits for it to break. Once it breaks, it plots the trade fibs. This is the golden pocket. And this is a very like boiled down, like super simplistic version. I've got one that's got multiple TPs on. I mean, it's this one. I probably just got to go turn them on. But the idea is you break the trend, you retrace into golden pocket, and you come down TP1, which gets hit quite often, more often than the other ones. And you get TP2, TP3 on the way down. And it's based off of this, my fibs right here. Trade entry. And it's actually plotting from this high, I believe. No? This one? Yeah, this one. The last high, last swing high before the break, I believe is what it was. You know, I should probably get back to looking at this thing. It's not a bad little tool here. You heard it here first. A little T and A can go a long way. Indeed. Jeez, someone slammed the door. But yeah, retrace, and then the TPs are 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5. Now, then I tried to get it to try and do it during specific specific hours. So if I'm looking at whatchamacallit here, this one actually failed. Coming down, coming down. You get a nice break, right? Here's our dotted line here that it's tracking. You get the break. It prints the golden pocket. Prints stop loss. Prints take profit. Comes into it. And this one actually failed. Can't win them all. But with a 49.5% win rate, the R multiple is what would have to change. You'd have to change that. And I've gotten it up before. I would have to play with it again. So, I'd have to get back to that. Gotta get back to it. I was in the zone at the time when I was working on that. It was kind of my getaway for the time. Oh, look at that. Bouncing off the 382 and the anchored VWAP. What? You gonna do that to me like this? Of course, once you create the equal highs, you've got to pull back first before you can come up and take them. Duh, it ain't rocket science. But anyway, CVD, I got way off. I forgot what I was doing with the CVD indicator. You guys, when I'm in the middle of something, I gotta stop looking at chat so I finish what I'm doing. But half the time, most of the time, let's be honest. Let's be honest here. I squirrel a lot. I squirrel a lot. I try not to, but I do. I'm sorry. Sorry, ADHD brain. I need to integrate a table with the weekly monthly detector that I use. It's a nice touch, yeah. What up, Alan? You heard it here first. A little TNA can go a long way. I already read that one. That's okay. All right. Yeah. So on this one, I like to, if I'm doing, well, you can use it for scalps too, but the weekly, but I like to do it at a fixed time. Not entirely sure what 9:30 is, but I can find the break because I've moved it around a little bit. All right, where's the session breaks on my CVD? Did I put on fixed at a fixed time? Here's my fixed time. Daily. Why at a fixed higher time frame? At a fixed time. This is my fixed time. Intrabar precision, 50 intrabars per. Don't do, I go length 10, 50 intrabars per chart if your CPU can handle it. Mine can, so I think you're good. Keep this on super trend. The second field specifies the ATR multiplier for the super trend indicators. So that's set to 3. and keep the zero line on. I like to color the background for the divergences so they're easier to find. Color the background on resets. I'm having trouble finding the most recent reset. Let's go to the 15. Maybe I'll see it quicker. Okay, so it's doing 530, but why? Chart. Why did it do that? Why would I start at that time? I wouldn't. That's the problem. I had this starting at 8:30, which would be another 12 hours, or 3 hours rather. Yeah, 8:30. If you want to trade New York, I have it at 8:30. If you want to trade Asia, have it at, I think it's 21 maybe. 4:30 for market close. Little hour 20 is UTC time, that's why. That way you can see the volume that has occurred, the CVD volume that has occurred since the market closed, because now you've entered a different auction. And so when you're volume trading in general, you got to pay attention to the different auctions that happen throughout the day. And I'm starting to wonder if it should be, since like basically every exchange does their fees every, their funding rates every 8 hours, that might be, might want to look, I might want to look into that for CVD. See when the last time the funding rate ran over. But anyways, all right guys, I gotta get out of here. We are well past my time, so I do greatly appreciate you guys for joining me this evening. We'll go over way more CVD stuff in the future, in future streams like tomorrow. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me, guys. If you wouldn't mind going ahead and hitting that like button, smashing the sub if you are new, hitting that notification bell to be notified whenever I create new content when I go live. Join the Wave Riders if you wish. I'm about to put a fee on the Discord if we get more people in, and if I start seeing a bunch of scammers. Don't forget, nothing on this channel is financial advice. Oh, by the way, it would just be whatever tier 1 is, which is like $4. I'm not really sure. But don't forget to, don't forget, nothing on the channel is financial advice. It is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please do your own research and understand that trading comes with risk. And I am not a financial advisor. So what's going on, Volmer? Mike Volmer. Good to see you at the end. But yeah. Sorry. That's going to be it, guys. Join the free Discord. Click all the links in the chat. And I will see you all tomorrow night. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep. And I will catch you all in the next one. Going to play a newer one. If I can find it. All right. Thank you, guys. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Mad love. God bless. Peace out.
LBC. Memphis, Tennessee. They thought the market broke us. Nah, that joint raised us. Raised in the trenches, man. But feel get exposed, red all on the screen. Still 10 toes. Raised in the trenches, man. Pressure make go away, ride. Never did what we told. Raised in the trenches. Raised in the trenches. LBC. Raised in the trenches. We get it how we live it. Clock out. Still toes by the front door. Clock in. Charles growing like a drugstore. Bills due. Still looking at the long game. Everybody scream, say, I don't move the same. Seen that jump crash. Thought it was the end. 6 months later, same folks bam back in. Nah, I learned different. Market don't love you, better learn discipline. Well, stole weight, retail start panicking. I stay quiet, stack another back again. Memphis tall hustle, crypto talk patience. Mix them together now, I'm built dangerous. After that junk shake, stay still. If they all want, don't trill. If the lights go out, keep building. Raised in the trenches, man. But feel get exposed. Red all on the screen.
Still 10 toes.
Raised in the trenches, man. Pressure make go away, ride.
Never did what we told.
Everybody got alpha, till that wallet go hollow. Everybody a genius till they forced to swallow. I done watch Moon Boy turn ghost overnight. I done watch quiet hands finally get they time. Ain't no screenshots, ain't no running life. Just another blue collar dude trying to trade it right. LBC, late night candle still burning. Every red week mean another page turning.
Market don't know me.
Market don't care.
Either you build for it,
Disappear. Every scar,
every loss,
every lesson
every cause
made me
who I am,
who I am.
who I am. LBC,
That LBC,
LBC,
that LBC,
LBC,
that LBC.
LBC.
Now the young bucks act, how you stay so calm, man? I was born in volatility, chaos my home, rain. Raised with conviction, worth more than a win. Cause if you survive enough win, a spring always rolling. Wave riders deep, whole chat locked, whole crew know. When we get washed, that jut move, we move better. Memphis, Tennessee, ride forever. Raised in the trenches, man. What feel? Get exposed, red all on the screen.
Still 10 toes.
Raised in the trenches, man. Pressure make go away, ride.
Never did what we told.
Raised in the trenches.
Raised in the trenches.
Raised in the trenches.
LBC.
LBC.
Raised in the trenches.
Memphis, Tennessee.
LBC.
That John raised us. That John raised us.